ये मैटर जो मैं आपको बोलने जा रहा हूँ, आप इस मैटर को हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर पे टाइप करके आप अपनी मिस्टेक्स को जान सकते हैं और अपने शॉर्टहैंड को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक मैंने अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है।
Ready, start. Sri Arun Mohan, Learned Counsel for the appellant, submitted that inasmuch as the plaintiff has not invoked or relied upon Section 14 of the Hindu Succession Act, and also because no reference to the said provision is found in the judgment of the learned single judge or the division bench, she should not now be allowed to invoke the said provision for the first time in these appeals. Stop. Learned counsel submitted that neither in the plaint nor at any time during the arguments in the courts below was this contention urged by the plaintiff. Stop. Counsel also submitted that had the plaintiff raised this contention in the plaint, the defendant appellant would have had an opportunity of establishing that Section 14 has no application for the reason that she was not possessed of the said first floor on the date of coming into force of the act. Stop. Counsel submitted that Satyavati was never living in the first floor. She was either living with the first defendant or with other relatives. Stop. We have given our anxious consideration to the said submission but are unable to agree with it. Stop. In the plaint, it is repeatedly stated that the plaintiff is claiming the suit property both through Ramnath and Satyavati. Stop. It is true that there is no specific reference to Section 14 of the Hindu Succession Act, but we are of the opinion, having regard to the law applicable to pleadings, Order 6, Rule 2 of the Civil Procedure Code, and the decision of this court in that behalf would not be just and proper not to give effect to the said highly statutory provision on the above ground, which in the facts and circumstances of the case is a mere technicality. Stop. Section 14 operates on its own force once the facts requisite for attracting its application are established. Stop. It must be remembered that the settlement between Satyavati and the first defendant was arrived at on 27th January 1955, whereas the Hindu Succession Act came into force in June 1956, within less than 17 months. Stop. Moreover, we are concerned with right to possession and not physical possession. Stop. It has been repeatedly held by this court while construing the expression possessed in Section 14(1) that the said expression means and refers to a right to possession and not necessarily actual or physical possession. Stop. So long as she has a right to possession, the mere fact that the female Hindu was not in physical possession matters very little. Stop. Therefore, it is immaterial whether Satyavati was physically occupying the said first floor or not. Stop. So long as she had the right to possession over the said first floor, section 14(1) is attracted. Stop. There has never been any suggestion by defendant numbers 2 to 5 that Satyavati had given up the said right. Stop. A former statement of defendant in a suit filed and relied upon by the appellant shows that Satyavati herself was holding a power of attorney from the first defendant and was managing all his properties in India. Stop. कुछ बातें ध्यान रखने वाली हैं। अगर मैटर में कहीं भी ऑर्डर या रूल सिंगल आएगा, उसके आगे कोई नंबर नहीं दिया होगा, तो वो स्मॉल लेटर में लिखेंगे, ऑर्डर हो या रूल हो। लेकिन अगर ऑर्डर के साथ कोई नंबर हो, जैसे इस मैटर में है ऑर्डर 6, तो कैपिटल होगा ऑर्डर, और रूल 2 लिखा है, तो उसमें भी रूल वहाँ पे कैपिटल होगा।